Hey everyone, welcome back to Information House. If you're a DIY enthusiast, an electronics hobbyist, or just someone who wants to make sure your gadgets are working perfectly, you know how important a reliable digital multimeter is. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best digital multimeters of 2025, covering everything from accuracy and durability to features that make testing a breeze. And don't worry, we've got all the product links in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. 5. FNIRSI DMT99. Discover the FNIRSI DMT99 Intelligent Multimeter, designed to make your measurements smarter, faster, and more convenient. In recording mode, watch how voltage or current fluctuations are plotted in real time, with up to 8 measurements recorded and max-min values displayed. Switch to monitoring mode to set custom thresholds and get instant alerts if values go beyond your set limits. Never worry about power with the built-in 1500 mAh rechargeable battery. Type-C charging keeps you powered up anytime. Intelligent mode automatically selects the optimal measurement range, eliminating guesswork, while the 2.4-inch full-color TFT display with 240x320 resolution ensures clear readings even in low-light areas. Customize your startup interface and enjoy a multimeter that's truly your own. Perfect for AC/DC voltage and current testing, resistance, capacitance, continuity, diode, NCV, and live wire detection, the DMT99 is ideal for automotive work, electronics repair, and home appliances, featuring dual ceramic fuse protection for safety. Upgrade your toolkit today with precision and ease. 4. ANENG SZ301. Looking for a reliable, versatile, and precise tool for all your electrical and electronics needs? The ANENG multimeter is your perfect companion. With the ability to measure AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, continuity, diode, and live wires, it's ideal for professionals, hobbyists, students, and engineers alike. Its precise readings with dual probes make detecting even small changes in voltage or current effortless. The user-friendly display ensures measurements are clear and easy to read, while adjustable modes let you tailor it to any task. Safety is a top priority, with overload protection, double fuses, and insulated probes, and its compact, portable design means you can carry it anywhere. Every unit comes with pre-installed AA batteries, a protective silicone case, and high-quality cable leads, plus ANENG's exceptional customer support. Perfect for testing devices like dehumidifiers with accurate voltage and current ranges, this multimeter keeps your electrical system safe and running smoothly. Follow the simple tips for optimal performance and you're ready to go. 3. KAIWEETS HT108A. Looking for a reliable, all-in-one multimeter for every electrical task? Meet the KAIWEETS HT108A multimeter. With wide-ranging capabilities, it measures up to 1000 volts DC, 750 volts AC, 10 amp current, and 60 megaohms resistance, plus tests temperature, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, diodes, continuity, and even checks wires. Easy to use, just switch the dial to your function, plug in the leads, and let auto-ranging handle the rest. The large 2.9-inch backlit LCD makes readings crystal clear. Packed with multifunctional features like non-contact voltage detection, live sound and light alarms, flashlight, min-max average recording, kickstand, and data retention. It's designed for convenience and precision. Safety is top priority with Cat 3 1000 volt, Cat 4 600 volt rating, double ceramic fuses, thermistor protection, and a silicone case for extra durability. Plus, with 36 months of after-sales support and lifetime technical help, the HT108A is built to last. Your kit comes ready with multimeter, test leads, thermocouple, batteries, and user manual. Everything you need to get started. 2. AstroAI AST-6000-D. Discover the ultimate versatile digital multimeter, your go-to tool for precise measurements. Easily measure AC/DC current, AC/DC voltage, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, temperature, diode, and continuity with professional-level accuracy. Designed with convenience in mind, it features a large backlit LCD screen, data hold, auto shutoff, kickstand, auto ranging, and true RMS for reliable AC readings. Perfect for automotive, household, and DIY electrical troubleshooting, this multimeter combines versatility with safety thanks to its double ceramic fuses and explosion-proof protection. Simple to use and backed by our California-based technical support team, you can tackle electrical tasks confidently. Don't forget to remove the test lead caps before use and check the manual for full guidance. Precision and safety are just a click away. 1. Klein Tools 69149P. Discover the ultimate toolkit for every electrician and DIY enthusiast. The Klein MM300 Multimeter delivers precise measurements up to 600-volt AC/DC, 10A DC current, and 2 mm resistance, while its continuity testing feature provides both visual and audible alerts for fast diagnostics. Pair it with the NCV-T1P non-contact voltage tester, featuring a bright LED and audible tone to safely detect voltage from 50 to 1000 VAC. Ensure your outlets are wired correctly with the RT105 receptacle tester, which identifies common wiring faults like open ground, hot, or neutral connections. Complete with test leads and batteries included, this set makes fault detection easy, reliable, and safe. Perfect for professionals and home users alike. All right, that wraps up our list of the top 5 digital multimeters for 2025. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional electrician, or just someone who likes tinkering with gadgets, these tools are sure to make your work easier and more accurate. If you want to check out any of the models we featured today, I've dropped all the product links in the description below. Just click and take a closer look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and tech picks. See you in the next video.